don't know why that was so hard. Let's go. It's fucking working. Have I been streaming for an hour by accident? Did I not? There we go. Hell yeah. So, I know nobody's watching, but I'm still gonna fucking talk to myself like a degenerate anyways. I've been trying this day trading shit for about a fucking week now. And as you can see, I've lost a lot of money. So I'm not very good, but there's a but here. We have won some. Yesterday I was shooting just like fucking Kobe, just throwing them out, just like shooting threes from anywhere and everywhere. I was missing a lot, right? But you're not gonna get better at something if you're not trying. So I'm just trying. I'm just doing fucking as many reps as I can. It's just like the gym. You just gotta keep pumping out the reps, and eventually you'll start winning. God, seeing that much money just disappear, it's insane though. Like here was the beginning, right? Yesterday was the 22nd. So here, offer it, $193 gone. Second trade, minus 31. Third trade, we're up $14. That's huge, absolute winner. So we're still down like $110, 114. Up 60, that's huge. Takes us back below that $100 mark. We're chilling, and then we immediately went and lost $97, and then we're back in it, like within 10 minutes. So that didn't work. Another win here. So like here, this is what we're looking for. If I could have these, would have been the what is that? 5 trades. 5 trades that I would have taken yesterday. I could have lived with that because we 90. It's like 100 and. I mean, we still would have went negative on the day, but my win like percentage would have been a whole lot better. Because at the end of the day, this shit's just fucking one big old video game, dude. It's all a fucking video game. Nobody. Let me move this shit so that I can. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'll hide that. So I accidentally click on it. Yeah, so then we just kind of kept losing. We'd win one, we'd kind of get lucky, and then we'd absolutely rinse ourselves. We'd get lucky. This was like a stop loss. I moved up, so it was actually still just a losing trade that I ended up moving the stop loss on. This is where I was actually starting to see some winners at the end, and I was like, okay, hold on. Because I think I chilled out, and I was just like not thinking about it as much. Here we are, right? So, we're not worried about yesterday, we're worried about today. Let's see what we got. So, we're looking at the S&P 500 today. This is just the EFT Trust. It's going crazy in the pre-market right now, which is, let me turn all these fucking indicators and shit off. Just for now. I'll turn it back on later. Yeah. Our pre-market price is all the way at 540, dude. Fucking huge bull run. But this morning, hella news. Hella news, which is not good. It's gonna make it super volatile is how I understand it. Right? I've only been doing this shit for a week, so I don't know anything. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna be super volatile. We're gonna like touch it, and it's probably just gonna fucking tank. So to keep the stream interesting, I'm probably just gonna go do my Wordle and like the connections and shit. Because I'm not trading until probably like 10 o'clock. But I did want to start the stream up because it's the first one, and I just kept thinking about it too much, and I was like, we just gotta go. We just gotta do this shit. And here we are. We're just doing this shit. So like we have these highs here and these lows that are, okay, that's the 1 minute. Let's see, we'll go back to the daily. I'm gonna walk through this and kind of tell myself what I'm thinking. Okay, these are dividends. Okay. Um, yeah, so daily we're in like a bit of a downtrend. Um, that's kind of getting flipped around back to an uptrend based off of this new pre-market price. But it could, it's kind of anyone's, oh fuck, dude. It's kind of anyone's game, so I'm not that worried about this. But we are more than likely going to go back into an uptrend. This one, actually, now that I'm looking at it, let's get rid of this. I don't like where I put that. Look at that. So we're in this area where we felt the resistance last time, right? So that means that buyers shot the price up to here, and then sellers brought the price back down, right? There was a lot of sellers here that were ready to fucking, or, yeah, buyers brought it up, lots of sellers that were like, okay, sellers, and the buyers started to lose, right? And went over into the seller's favor, and it pushed the price back down. But then towards the end of the day yesterday, the buyers started to pick back up and push us back up. We didn't even come close to the low that we felt at like, what was that, market open? No, that was last week. What am I looking at here? Monday, Tuesday. Okay. This was not even close to yesterday. I don't know why I'm looking at that like that was yesterday. It's the hour charts. Let me see. Okay, Tuesday. So Tuesday we kind of went up, came down. It was weird. It was a weird fucking day. I wasn't ready for this, so I absolutely rinsed myself. Look at all these fucking trades too. Absolute degenerate, dude. Like, I'm sitting there fucking sweating, hitting those buttons, just ready to go, and I'm fucking losing money like crazy. Yeah, we gotta do something about that. We gotta go profitable today. If I could be profitable today, I'd be happy. Even if I just do like 1 or 2 trades. That is not what I was... I've got this weird fucking thing over here. Leave me the fuck alone. There we go. Reactions... Okay. I don't know why I'm looking over at that. I don't know, I just don't see it sticking around up here for very long. And we'll see. So these are like volume profiles. I could probably adjust this more to be like here. And kind of give us a better idea of where that's at. So we'll do that. This one's fine. I would I would almost bank on, like, here's kind of what I'm thinking is gonna happen. Alright. I'm just gonna go ahead and say this out loud and just we'll see. It's gonna end up opening up here in 2 minutes. We're gonna see it open up towards this side. And then we're immediately gonna see it start to reject off of this. It's immediately gonna start to settle back down. I mean, these are just my unqualified predictions. Immediately gonna settle back down and then retest it. And then if it breaks through, we're gonna keep moving up to maybe the 566 because that was like the last high that we saw. I mean, maybe 547 before we stop. Probably the 547 actually. Probably this. And then there's a bottom here that it bounced off of pretty good. I don't see it going above 566 if it does. I don't even think it's gonna get up there today, to be honest. I'm not saying it won't move that direction, but I'm thinking we're gonna see more of a like consolidation here. Maybe. We'll see. We're also towards the top of the RSI, so when it does open up here, which is what it's kind of looking like since we've only got 60 seconds left. Well, actually 1 minute and 30. That motherfucker's definitely not gonna stay up there. It's gonna be overvalued. Yeah, I know. We already went over that before. Okie dokie. These things are fucking really hard to see whenever you're in the 30-minute charts, so we're not even gonna try to do that. We are gonna come down to the 1 minute. Beep, beep, beep. Holy fuck. Why did these not keep the way they were supposed to? Why don't these look right? Before I started the stream, these looked completely different. Why is it not? I'm still learning how to use all this stuff. It's not doing what I thought it would. Oh, we're open, by the way. Look at her ticking. I love that. That shit makes my brain so happy. Why am I just not able to... Is it because I'm in replay mode? Has that been my problem this whole time? Look at that. Okay. So we are up here. We're already showing rejection off this shit. Oh my god, I'm so good. Not really, but, you know. Kinda know what I'm talking about. This red line's fucking me up. I'm gonna move that over for now. I just have this red line to show me when the fucking market opens. So I love this because it shows you like a very on time what is the word I'm looking for? Like on time what is actually happening, right? So I'm seeing this like this delta, that's the difference between sellers and buyers. So right now there's like 6,000 more sellers than there are buyers. So even though this candle looks like it's moving up, there's still a lot of sell pressure from the top side, right? See, it's still green, but it like there's a lot of like pressure from the sellers up here. So I don't see it like where we're looking like we're going up, but I don't think it's gonna stay that way. I think we're gonna start to see it turn down soon. Look, like fucking clockwork, dude. Okay. And see, that's what would have... That's the shit that gets me. Alright. And we're just gonna chill and watch it and see what happens for a little bit. And we can monitor some other stocks and see what's going on. Like Tesla had a really bad day yesterday. Their shit's trying to come back down. Actually, I haven't even looked at this chart today. Why does it fucking look like that? Damn. Got absolutely railed on the earnings, dude. Yeah, well, I mean, we knew that Tesla wasn't going to be able to stay that high. Right, that was no fucking secret. And it still opened up pretty good. Boeing did well. Their fucking earnings are up. See, this is like dog, you got nothing up here to go off of. But these are the candles that I'm like, oh fuck, dude, I feel like I'm missing out. You know, like these are the FOMO candles. Because I'm like, oh shit, all I'd have to do is put a fucking take profit. Look, I would have taken a profit up here, stop loss right at the bottom of this candle. It's going up, maybe. Let's see. Like, we'll say 177, stop loss is at 172. I mean, I could say fuck it and just throw one in, just for shits and giggles. We're up 8%, dude. Like, we've missed it. We missed the wild jump. Except for the fact that I'm about to hit if I would have placed that trade. Oh well. Look, so we're expecting a rejection off of this up here. See, it's already showing that fucking turn down like I was talking about earlier. This shit wants to fucking load. This is so hard to use. So yeah, we're showing a downtrend here, right? And we're super overvalued. Let's see, we might be getting into a trade right here. Moving away from our point of control. Actually, we moved away from it and then came back to it. We want to let it develop. We want to see where the people are today. You know, if we jump into it too soon, like in another 20 minutes or so, we're gonna come back around. But it's still on. So we got our VWAP and our EMA. Pretty simple stuff. You have like a 9 EMA turned on. Yeah. Nothing too crazy. So we bounced off the VWAP here. So I bet you it goes up and retests here. And then we see a big drop. If it gets rejected off of like this area again, I'll get in. Like over here for a turn down. Because we are also... Oh fuck, I hate when I do that. Did it again. Alright. We're also so far away from... Okay, so there is some resistance here that we need to be worried about. In fact, see, this is why I need the moving market to be able to see this shit. Look, right there, I didn't even catch that. That could be detrimental. Where am I going? There we go. What in the hell is happening? Oh, good thing I didn't get into a short here. Look at that. That's a 1 minute candle. It just shot up, like, all the way through. That is ridiculous. It just bounced right off the DMA. I would have never guessed that shit. What the fuck happened here? There's some volume shit in here. I just can't see this. Hold on. I'm turning this on a little light mode. Oh, God. It just torched my eyeballs. Alright, let's see. Okay, it looks more red in this too. Okay, the reason it wasn't looking like big ones is because they weren't moving very far. Ah, see, here we go. Okay, so look. These motherfuckers right here, look, that's 16,000 sellers. That's 20,000 buyers. That shit's obviously going to go up a little bit. But now, we're showing all these fucking sellers. It's dark all the way up here. They're trying to sell. They're selling like a motherfucker. Selling like a motherfucker. Look, this one's not as bad, right? The delta difference here is insane, right? 61,000, 100,000. They're trying to push this shit up. I bet you if it rejects off this here, because like it's retesting, it's probably going to continue to go up, but I'm not going to place any trades off this because look at our RSI. This shit's overvalued like crazy. It's got to come back down soon. So I'm going to wait it out until we start to see it. Look, we're already seeing it cross. And if I'm not mistaken, what is that actually? RSI based MA. Okay, so that's a moving average. So yeah, we're already below our moving average again. We should see a continual sweep down. But that point of control just moved up. Did you see that? So this is our point of control. This is where there's the most volume for the day is here, right? This is where the most people are buying and selling. That's why it just kind of like hovered here for a second, and then there was a fuck ton of buyers. It just went shoo, and then came back down, settled out. Because then they got up here, and they were like, there was a lot of sellers that were ready to sell out, and be like, all right, no, we're going back down. And see, we got still a positive delta, positive delta. I think we got news till 10 today. That's what someone said. Yeah. Till 10 o'clock. So no trades till 10, just to be safe. I'm really doing that because I don't want to win. If I win off of a news trade, then it to me it doesn't count because I got lucky. So look, we retested, we're kind of want to move back up, and there's like nothing up here. And we saw a lot of sellers up here actually, so. And those sellers came in hard. I don't think that it's going to get back above that. I don't think it's going to be able to. I don't know, dude. There was still 3,000 buyers up here. I think we could still see another shoot through. Because the shit just kind of averaged out, but the buyers were still winning this. They started to lose it here. And sellers are showing strength. If we come back up here, I think I'm gonna, or even start to move towards this area again, I'm gonna take shorts. So let's put a mark. I'm not actually gonna take this trade, but I am gonna fucking just act like I am. Mainly to protect my my realized profit and loss. See, so we're getting far out from this POC, right? But you know what? Fuck it. We're just gonna do it because I don't care. It's just fucking. It's paper money. It's not real. If we see it touch up here a little more, we'll hop in because we're still so overvalued. Ah, see, we're getting a little volume in here though now. Still so many buyers. There's more sellers up here than there are buyers though. Well, no, not really. Oh, we just wait. Our POC just moved. Never mind. We're not taking that anymore. Yeah, look at that. Our POC just moved up. Let's go see what our daily trend looks like. Alright, looks like we're showing a little bit of a uptrend over in the 30s. If this candle will close out above this, then I would expect us to keep moving out and up, and start shooting for the 566. And the news that I got was that the Bears were going to keep, or the Bulls were going to keep running strong. So far, it's holding good. And we'll turn back down towards our POC probably one more time before we run out of this if we do start to trend out. The worst part is having to wait and not being able to just fucking Okay, look, I'm seeing a setup come in here. So there's a big setup coming. No, I'm peeping it. Let me see. Where's a pencil at? Where's something I can draw with? What the fuck, dude? Oh, here we go. Alright. So, this is what I'm seeing, y'all. We got down this thing. Look, we got the boop, and then the boop. And then we should be keeping moving up, right? Like, that would be cool. What's gonna happen is this motherfucker, it gonna go all the way up here. It's gonna be like around this area probably. And it's gonna fucking just like that. Alright, hold on. Let's be for real. Oh shit. Okay. No, but on the real, look, we're already starting to see it start to not want to get that high anymore. But that POC just moved up again. I don't like that, bro. I don't like that. It's not... Because I was kind of being serious in that it could keep moving in this direction. And then it's going to eventually come back down and retest off this and keep moving up. Right? Oh, Jesus. Why is this so difficult to use? Stop. Stop. Oh my, you're joking right now. Okay. This is kind of what I'm looking for. Wow, that looks just terrible. Let's do some connecting. Boop. Alright, I just got news. Just got news that we're looking for this. I was literally calling it when I got his text message. I was just calling that shit. Alright, news today is bullish. We're waiting for a pullback and then we're going up. Damn it. Hell yeah, brother. Damn, bruh. Getting props from my mentor. Getting props from the mentor right now. He said hell yeah when he saw my drawing. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Oh, that makes me so happy. And we're just going to sit here and we're going to wait for the retest. Look, we can do whatever the hell we want while we wait. Because what we're going to do is I'm going to throw me... Because I'm looking for right about here. We're going to do a buy order. For 50. 50 units. Should we do 100 units? Come on, let's be fucking real, dude. Let's do 100 units. We want to make some real fucking money. And we want 3 to 2.25. $3,000. Oh my god. How many points does that have to move? 74. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Here it is. 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 I think we got a shit fill, but we might be on it. We might be on it. Alright. We're in. Where the fuck did my take profit go? Why is my take profit up at $2,900? Oh! Shit, dude. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. Okay. Let's move this back. And this is... Fuck. Okay. Yep. Modify. And then this is kind of... Let's look for 1,500. 1,200. 1,300. Wait, where was that other one? Beep, 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 beep. Modify. Yeah, because we're looking for the races. Okay, wait, actually we can come here. Modify. Alrighty. Damn it, I keep doing that. Alright. Fingers crossed. And now we wait. Now it's just a waiting game at this point. I'm gonna leave this to like... Look, I'm actually confident in this, so I'm gonna move my stop loss up to about... Dude, I wish that I could just... Why can I not just, like, see settings on this order and type? Why do I have to do this drag bullshit? Here. Okay. 200. And we're looking for a 700 win. And now we're in it, and we're not touching it until. Hopefully we can fix this balance right here. That's the cross. All right. Now let's go look at something else for a little bit. Let's go make some money somewhere else. Fuck it. We're putting Trading View away. Let's make some fucking cash money over here. Let's see. What do we got? Stocks. What was... Or no, let's bring Trading View back up, actually. Oh no! What is happening? No! That is not good, dude. That is not fucking good. That is not what we want to say. Oh no, dude. Okay. Our buyers... Okay, buyers are starting to pick back up, though, I think. Buyers are picking back up. Yee. Yikes. Yeah, I don't know about this one, chat. Oh, no, we're good. Okay, that makes me feel a whole lot fucking better. Look at that. It's still going to probably turn around and go back down. But, you know what? I need to stop looking at it because I'm just going to freak myself out. Oof. Tesla has not held the test of time well. They've gone down quite a bit today. Let's put something long in for Tesla. I got my candles. Boop. Throw that in there. It doesn't look like Tesla's actually going to be able to get over this here. So maybe we could look for a move out and then a move back up. Since we've got a fully bullish market today. What is... Tesla's just in an overall downtrend, though. That's not what I was trying to click on. What was Netflix doing? I'm not ready to... That's sketch as fuck, dude. Because it's right there and just ready to turn back down. This is where it was like yesterday. And it was fucking pricey. And then it turned back down for the worst. And it wasn't good. No fucking bueno. No fucking bueno. We don't want that. We don't want that shit. This is just the S&P 500 again. We're still on this one, but we're looking good. I mean, we're looking way good. Way gooder. Much gooder. Oh, that is so much more confidence inspiring. Look at that. That looks just like the fucking drawing, dude. It's like I know what I'm doing. I don't. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just pressing buttons and sounding smart. That's all. But that's honestly, that's all you gotta do. That is all this shit is, bro. I've never fucked with the triple Q. I don't really know what it is, to be honest with you. I mean, I don't know what half this shit is that I've been talking about this whole time. And yet here we are. I honestly see this trade. This trade's gonna take a while. This trade is gonna take a while. So. I'm chilling. I got all fucking day. We're unemployed. What am I gonna do? Go to work? I definitely got a little antsy on my entry here. I should have waited just a little longer to get back down into this profile. But other than that, I'm happy with it. Yeah. And another thing that I've been doing a lot is like taking hella notes and writing hella shit down. Because at the end of the day, this shit's a skill. This is something you learn, you develop, you get better at over time. Oh, damn. Oh, fuck. You're fucking kidding right now. Oh, I should have left my stop loss down here. I just got fucking boned, dude. Look at that. It just sniped my stop loss. That is terrible. $200 gone like that. Look, now I gotta come over here. And that shit wasn't even an even $200. I got so boned. That is 2469.05. Okay. I guess it's trying to retest. I should have left my stop loss down here, dude. Why did I fucking move it? I hate when I do that. Alright. Whatever. Shit happens. What is today? 23. So there's strong fucking sellers up here. That's what that's telling me. Is that the sellers on this side are fucking... They're pretty gnarly. Look, this is the 10 o'clock bait and switch, so we gotta stay on top of our game, and then we'll analyze that trade a little more. And kind of maybe what we could have done better. Oh, shit. I did not mean to do that. Okay, so we're in a trend, like an uptrend, right? We've got this. Look, but what we drew is still, I think is still going to hold validity. If I see one of these closing here, then I'm going to wait. And it looks like we will see one close on the back side. I need to get better at using this, because I don't really know how to use this fucking shit yet. But it seems like once you actually understand what all this is telling you, you can snipe shit. Dog, because I could have... Look at this. So there's 10,000 people buying up here. Oh, dude, I think I just missed my chance to buy again. Okay, honestly, I'm still confident in the uptrend trade here. So I'm gonna buy another order. Because we just had so many sellers up here to push us down, but there was a lot of buyers too. That's hard. That's what's hard about this shit. Fuck you. Okay. Is I've got all these sellers up here, and I know that. But at the same time, I also know that there was a bunch of buyers there. So it almost makes me wonder if the supply or the demand was there, but the supply wasn't. Oh, look at how weak these are. Look at how weak it is down here. There's nothing happening down here. Very, very little. And I just missed it. Yeah, I missed my entry. I'm not gonna... I can't buy it up here. I can't justify that. That's stupid as fuck. Okay. So I should have looked over at this chart again and seen that down low was not good, really. Because this is going to continue to move up. I guarantee it. The fact that I can just grab a fucking squiggly ass line like that. Because this is our move down. Look, if we come back down to even get close to this again, I'm buying it. I'm buying the fuck in. And then I'm putting my stop loss all the way down here, or at the bottom of it. And I'm putting my take profit super fucking high. Like, up here. Like, it's 60. That's a 7 points. 7-point move. I think that's how the points work. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe these are the points. Maybe these after are the points. I don't really know, to be honest. I mean, we're at the point of control. But at the same time, it could kind of go either way here, so I'm not going to touch it until I get confirmation. Because we're not higher than a high here. Like, to show that we're moving up, I want to see us... let's say here. Maybe not even. Maybe even closer to like here. I should see him, like, wait to see him move up. But then I'm worried it's just gonna fucking go down again, you know? So let's see. I feel like for a buy order, I would... Okay, let's see. If I were just gonna buy in here for like a super short to go to here, I would buy in, or I'd put my stop loss here. So I'm going to put a buy order here. If that hits that. And then 500 stop loss is going to like the bottom of this. So 230. And if that touches that, then that order will get filled. Because now we're starting to see some development. We're consolidating in here. We're staying really close to that POC, and then we're going to move. Because it's going to kind of like, I guarantee this is how it's going to go. It's going to like come in, I can draw, I don't have to use my hands. It's going to kind of come in here like this. It'll probably come down in here. And then we'll see a big shoot up. I'm cooking, dude. Absolutely cooking. We still got a lot of sell pressure up top, though. And there's a chance that it doesn't even get filled down here. What is my... I need to clean this shit up, though. Can I not? Just like... Just see if I can delete all these. All this drawing and shit. Beep, 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 beep. And we're not out yet. If that closes up, then there's a chance that it comes up to here. If it comes up to here, I might take a short. Risky fucking play. But we're gonna risk it. We might risk it for the biscuit. Where's my R side? Where did that go? Because we're above the VWAP. We touched the VWAP and bounced off. Alright, these candles are super indecisive. Well, that one actually might be. You know what I just realized? My candles are not the right color. I've not used the standard colors in a while. I like it's that TJR special, if you know, you know. I don't know, it just makes my brain easier. And red and green, I think good and bad. It's easier to keep emotions out when it's blue and black. I don't think about it like money, really. It's just kind of like, yeah, it's what it is. We might be seeing it break out of consolidation here. Very good chance of that. If it does, we'll probably see a return back to the POC. And that's where a short might be worth getting into. Here's my risk management shit. I hate this fucking tool. Because it doesn't just let me grab it. Take profits. 547.47. Loss. And then entries. 42. You know what pisses me off is if I was still in this trade right now, the one from here, I'd be up like $120. You know? So that kind of sucks. But we saw hella resistance up here. It shot it back down quick. It did not let it settle up there. So we'll have to see what happens up here again. If we start to consolidate, I might buy back in. But there's the chance that we come up here and we just immediately see it turn back down. And that's when it'll hit my my buy-in. Okay, let's do this. Because I don't want to just stare at the charts all day. We're gonna do one of these. And we'll pull this up to just keep an eye on it. We'll close that. I don't need to really look at all that right now. Let's fucking see what Wordle has to offer. What y'all know about the Wordle? Just want to play. I'm not trying to fucking... Oh, fuck, dude. I can't not look at it. I'm fucking addicted. It is kind of an addiction, though. Like... Oh, dude, see, the buyers are not strong at the tops right now. They're strong around in here, though. sellers are just so strong up here. Look at how many orders are up in this. Fuck ton of sellers. I actually got close to her entry. All right, let's see. Wordle. 5 letters. I can't spell worth a fuck, so let's see if we can make something happen. Fog is not 5 letters. Oh shit. Keep going, motherfucker. Keep going down. What? We're in. It didn't buy for some reason. I don't think it goes below this. Again. I don't think, but I also don't know. We very well could. It's not looking good. I just realized that this is... Oh, dude, I may have just boned myself. Oh, no. That's why I forgot that I was looking for the RSI again. And here's why. There's off. I need to get rid of some of these. Get rid of that. This shit I never use. It's a fucking scam. I mean, it's going to rebound to that point of control again, so we'll probably see it scoot back up over. Unless the sellers are really strong right now. I'm absolutely distracted. Not ready for Wordle yet. Bunch of shit going on over here. So it looks like my levels were good. I wish I knew what chart he was using here. Okay, let's go move over to the 5-minute charts so that we can breathe a little. This isn't making me feel any better. This isn't working at all, actually. Oh, dude, that's not good. 1.9352 fucking risk to reward. That is terrible. I feel like I hear about these motherfuckers. They got like a fucking 19 RR. Like, fuck you, dude. What do you mean you're getting 19x? Like, oh, you're a bitch. I'm getting fucked. Okay. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. And we got bullish news today. We should be moving back up to my 500 take profit. Should be. We need a whole lot more than 500. We got a $200 or $2,000 bill that I gotta take care of. We need a little bit more than that. We gonna need a little more than that. All right, let's see. What do we got here, dude? Reward is not 5 letters. Trade. Enter. All right. Off to a great start. Okay, an E at the end is, bro, that's light work. What the fuck? Like, that is not helpful at all. You know? Um, oh, shit, there's no R in it. I already tried that. No A, D, or T. How the fuck is there no A in it, bro? I feel like every word's got an A. Oh my god, are we fine? Oh, shit. I don't want to do that. No. I suck at Wordle. I can't think of shit. What's the other one that I like to play? This one sucks. Connections. This one I actually like. I still suck at it, but it's better than the other one. It's better than fucking Wordle. I can't spell. What the fuck is this freaky shit? Gag? Tad? Tail? May, act, paw, bit, fruit, sketch, fur, flag, leaf. Leaf and branch are definitely something. Root, that's another part of a tree. Trunk, all parts of a tree. Hell yeah. We on to something? May, act, paw, bean, tail, fur. Parts of a dog? No. Tad, bit. Gag, flag, tag. What is this, dude? Sketch. May. A tad. What the fuck is... What is the correlation between all of these fucking words, dude? These words mean nothing together. And also we're looking good on our fucking trade, by the way. Bro, what the fuck comes up with this shit? Like, these all sound like they rhyme, but like, act does not rhyme with flag. Act, sketch. Act a tad bit, sketch. Oh, one away. Oh, fuck. 3-letter words. No. Okay, and it didn't say one away again. Hey, we're looking good. Oh, this would have been a nice fucking buy-in, too. Too bad there's no one here to help me with this because I need to get better at the streaming thing so that someone can say, hey, you're a dumbass. Okay. I did this and it said 1 away. A gag is not right, is it? Fuck you. Okay, so it's these three. These three are the ones that I need to know. Is it a bean? I don't know, dude. None of that. We're also doing really good over here. I'm trying not to like think like, oh yeah, keep going up. But that's what my brain is like actually doing. I got one try left. Tad bit sketch. Oh, that's what I'm fucking talking about. There we go, son. Get on up there, boy. Get on up there. Oh, it just goes funk and hits my stop loss and shoots up, bro. I would blow my shit. Alright, anyways. Can't make that joke on YouTube. I don't know, dude. Maybe? Maybe it's bean? It's not act, I know that. It's not gag, I know that. May doesn't make any sense. Tad bit sketch may. Tad bit bean sketch. It doesn't make sense any way I fucking say all these words together. Flag, maybe? Letter A. I mean, they all have the letter A in it. But that's not helpful. Do we have good sound, like buying pressure? Oof. Lots of sellers up here, but hella fucking buyers. You know? This almost fucked me. I don't like this is not still trying, but you know. What are you gonna do, huh? Alright. Focus. Fuck, I need more coffee. I don't know, dude. Tad bit sketch. I'm thinking like a small amount, right? A bean? Is it just because it's small? Let's try it. Fuck it, dude. Damn it! Ah! Comedic routine. Act, bit, gag, sketch. Oh, fuck. Can I not see him again? No, I don't want to share it. I just want to see what the shit was again. Wow. You can't go look at it? Admire puzzle. Oh, here we go. Bean pole. Who the fuck says bean pole? Maypole. What? Okay, see, tadpole, I see that one. And flagpole, I see that one. Makes sense. Because I thought tadpole at the beginning, too. I was waiting for it to be like parts of a frog. But I guess a tadpole wouldn't be a part of a frog. It's just a baby frog. But, anyways, this makes sense too. I'm not gonna lie. This one's stupid. These were easy. So, damn. Better luck next time. Oh well. Look at that. It's going up. Oh, you can't see that. Going up. Bang. Touches this fucking area again. To the fucking moon, baby. I'm actually pretty confident in this trade that it's gonna fucking hit TP. I mean, shit, anything can happen. I do have a rule. Once I hit 25% of my take profit, especially on big trades like this, I move up to break even. Just to keep losses to an absolute minimum. Because at the end of the day, this is a long run. It's consistency, patience, accountability, discipline, all those things go into this. So if I'm staying consistent, consistently moving my take profit up, or yeah, consistently keeping my take profit where it's at, consistently moving my stop loss up, then I know when I'm taking good trades, even if some bullshit happens like earlier, I'm not just getting fucking stopped out before it goes back up again. Because that's exactly what happened there. As I got in, I was ready to get in. I would have been okay. See, even that first trade, which would have been here, you still can't see it. That first trade, which would have been here, would still be greening right now. Like, I would still be good. This one is, I actually did get a little bit of a better entry on this one. But we got stopped out. Right? So, yeah, because it came down to touch the stop loss. Because I put my stop loss really fucking close. No room to breathe. Always got to give your trades a little room to breathe, too. I'm new and I don't know a whole lot, but I do know that. So this will probably come up. It's probably going to start to look like it's coming down again, and then it'll keep going back up, right? It's not just going to go... If it does, that'd be great. I would love that. Would not make me unhappy. If I could just go in and cash that shit. All right. These tiles are kind of fun. Let's play this. This is not what I remember from last time. Oh, because it's just a little different. Look, so you connect it. They've all got little similarities, and then you connect. This is so autistic. Oh, I just realized how insane I am. Like how crazy this may look to someone who doesn't understand what's happening in my brain. I've got this little chart with funny numbers and shapes on it, and then I got this over here with funny shapes on it. And I'm showing this to the world. Not that anybody's watching. Still showing it to the fucking world. Let's see. So we want to do this one, and then what? Oh, that's right. Because you have to go to different ones. Damn. See, I hate the little ass dots because I can't see that shit. Is it one of these ones? Oh, fuck you. And then here, and then a little yellow line, and then there's no more. Oh, yeah, there's. Look, and you always got to be ready for your next move. Oh, see, I can go anywhere here. Okay, let's clear out these spots, and I can go anywhere again. We go to this one. I can clear this one from there. I can do this, 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 this. Then I can go anywhere again. That was a bad move. I might be bound. Is there just something I can't see? I thought that you could, like... Damn. No way I just sold my combo like that. Oh, it's right here. Look at that. Major comeback. Holy Jesus. God is great, dude. Look at that. Fucking. Oh my goodness. Still not at 250. We're looking for 250. Absolute fucking banger, though. Gotta send that to my boy. There is the chance that we just get hard pressure back down towards the fucking shit here, right? Okay, that we indicated 250. Moving that stop loss to 0. Good practice, good habits. That's the shit that makes you a profitable trader. Not that I fucking know because I'm not profitable. But if I were profitable, that's what I would tell somebody. Watch this shit, dude. This shit's about to be fucking sick. What? We're gonna go bang, bang, bang. What? Oh. This shit makes my brain so happy. Massive combo, dude. Massive combo. I kind of want to do it again. Um, 260. Strands, Wordle, Spelling Bee, mini crossword. I hate crosswords. Actually, why do I have to do this, dude? Why do I have to subscribe to do this? That doesn't make any sense. Deep. See, okay. So what we got here. We're getting a little retrace here. I'm gonna ride it out because I want to see. I want to see what's gonna happen. My concern is that these sellers up here. Oh shit! I gotta make this fucking bigger, dude. That these sellers up here are gonna just push us out of this again, and we're not actually gonna be able to break through. The likelihood of that might be pretty slim since we were already in. Like, I mean, we got this POC here, but we've already kind of broken it. It might bring us back down to it. Maybe we retest this. Look, we're gonna throw a box on it. Just to see. That way we can monitor. Boop. We'll monitor how it okay, that was not helpful at all, actually. I was really thinking that was more up here. We'll see if it gets out of that box. If it could close out above this, then we're going up and we're chilling. Okay, if I'm being honest, I'm not that worried about this because we've still got a positive delta. There's still more sellers than or buyers than sellers here. Now that can change. That's still up for debate. Here we started to see it kind of slow down, but we had 21,000 buyers at this level, and we just closed this with a positive delta. Even if this goes down, we're still gonna see more than likely it come back up. So I'm really not that concerned about this little retracement. Is there the chance that this comes all the way back down to the POC and I get fucked? Yeah. There always is. But we're gonna let it play out and just see what happens. Because that's what you have to do. And we know that we're on a bullish trend right now. We're well above our VWAP, which is, depending on who you ask, good. And we got in at a good time. We got in way down here. So we've got a little room to fluctuate and move us up to our 500 take profit. And that would be awesome if I could green for 500 today. That would be the biggest trade that I've ever won, by far. And the most well played out trade as well. Now, what if we rinse the other account? Like, what if we just say, like, fuck all that noise and flip coins for this one? Alright, that's what we're doing. And we're going to get quick hits because, fuck it, why not? We're going to 30 seconds. What the fuck is this thing? Oh, mother of God. What is that? Where is the rest of this chart? Dude. Okay, this chart's cooked. Trading view. And we're getting a little retracement on that, but it is what it is. Okay. Oh, Tesla is cooking. Oh, dude, wait, hold on. Short potential here is insane. No, it's not. This, I would be so dumb if I shorted on this. Yeah, because look how many buyers there still are way up here. They didn't, like, clunk a level with a freaking bunch of sellers. Not yet, at least. And there's so many more buyers down here, too. I mean, this was a missed trade. Like, I could have gotten down here and I would have greened already. Consolidation on Netflix. All right. All right. We're doing just straight 50-50s. Because I'm fucking bored. Let's see. Where are we sitting over here? Oh, wait. Shit don't matter, dude. Give us the fucking coin. The coin of wealth. The coin of fucking wealth. Alright. Let's see it. Alright. Heads we go long. Tails we go short. Come on. Alright, we're going long. We're going long. Alright. And fucking buy. Confirm. We're already down $200. The coin is lying to us. Oh no, dude. Oh, that's not right. Okay. How do I add a take profit? Oh my god, I'm down $200. How the fuck do I add a take profit and stop loss to this? Okay, here we go. Stop loss, take profit. I want the dollar amount. Give me that take profit at 500. Give me that stop loss 250. Confirm. I just realized 250 is not enough room. 500. Give it a little more room to breathe, you know? You know what I'm saying? Alright. So we got a coin flip on that one. And we've got a real trade over here. Every once in a while you just gotta flip a fucking coin, dude. You know? Alright. Alright. These motherfuckers are corny as hell, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh wait, hold on. My boy bids and offers. This is 6.8R trade. Doug, do you know how much money 6.8, like, that's a 7x. Something horrific happened right after I got my profit hit. All the way back to my stop. I don't use OCOs. I closed them manually and I got filled. I learned from contract short and points. Okay. This motherfucker right here bids and offers. He wanted 6 sunrise or sunset. That was yesterday.
Happy,
this motherfucker, he knows what he's talking about.
These 54-64s with my stop just 3 points below on a retest of this low volume node area where buyers supported for this move here. What I saw in the order flow was trapped sellers right in this area where price was stuttering, where buyers initiated this second move up. And what I'm doing is just targeting these highs just below the fake out highs up here, where the high of this value area is, where this high positive delta is up here. Going for just about, so what I saw as price came down into this level, first we had this large negative delta that came in, so.
Alright, so we're getting cooked on this trade right now. And we're getting cooked on the coin flip? No way, I'm about to get stopped out and... oh, no, dude. It's all going wrong. It's all going wrong. But, should I reset back to the fucking... Okay. Look, we're going to put our take profit right up in here. Stop loss, we're going to move that down to 150. Got to do some adjustments to this trade. Because I realize now that this was greedy as fuck.
Sellers.
Super greedy trade. Did not need to have it up that high. You live and you learn. I will probably get this. It's going to be kind of lucky now if I do or don't. I should have set it at the fake out highs. Because that's exactly what that was. I didn't realize that, but there was a fake out back here at the beginning of the day. Let me turn some of this shit off, and we'll talk about this. I'm talking about this for myself, really, for my personal shit. Here. Okay. This should hit no problem. I'm not worried about this actually. We opened the day. Down, faked, came all the way up. That was our bull, right? We were in news here. News until 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is here. That's where I hit my first stop order. I should have seen this, watched for here, waited, seen that it came up. Here's 10 o'clock. I'm like, okay, I'm going to start to look for a move to the upside. You know, time's ticking along, where we haven't seen any breakouts of this here. We're still waiting for that and like that retest. And then I saw here, this was a good trade. I'll have to go back and watch the video on why I took this. Why I was happy with this trade. That was a good trade, but I should have put my take profits here. Right below these fake out take highs, because, or even these ones, because we got another one here. This was kind of like a gamble. We didn't know it was going to come all the way up here, right? We didn't know that anything was going to come to this level again. We had this level here, and then we saw this level here, right? This one we haven't seen yet, so we're not banking on that. But we do know that if it's coming down, and we're far away from that POC, which we were, if I remember correctly, right? POC's around in here. And that's why this was starting to freak me out. I should have taken profit here because I saw that it was way above where the volume's at. So, here, what I could have done instead was put my take profit here, scalp a little off the top, make $50 to $100, and I'm done for the day, right? Instead, I was like, oh, this is going to be a big move to the top, which is, it doesn't move like that. But we live and we learn, right? That's all a part of the learning process. We probably fucked this trade up. It was a winner. It was a good call. Um, I just did not place my take profit and stop loss strategically. Something I need to work on. Let me write that down while I'm thinking about it, and it's on my mind. Please I wish that I could just grab it and move it. This is annoying. I see we'll probably see a move to the downside. I'm going to get stopped out here. This was a good trade with a bad outcome, right? It's a mediocre trade with a bad outcome. Let me not lie to myself. I mean, it was good in the sense that I called it at a great spot. I had a turn to the upside at a very well. It was played properly. But I just didn't really wait long enough. We're also seeing consolidation today. We'll probably move back down towards here again before we bounce up. So I'll probably get stopped out before it moves back up. These candles make me, oh jeez, dude, stop grabbing it. This makes me feel confident that I'll head back up here. You got higher high, higher low. Should be an uptrend. We're bullish today. I don't see any reason why we can't get back to 544. That is $2. $2 to the north. And then we'll be down $300 for the day. So, let's see if we can just green one of these trades. And then I'll probably call it after this. Actually, we'd go positive for the day if this hit. Because I'm only down 164 for the day. I thought I was down 500. Oh, what is our coin flip trade doing? Not I was gone for like 5 minutes. Wow, shit hit the fan while I was gone, eh? Alright. So add it to the number, I guess. Two four 9405. Oh, that sucks, doesn't it? Two losing trades. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna look for one more setup because this could keep going down. I'm not touching that right now. This has been a sturdy down for a while. Why the fuck can I not? Ah, dude, all these fucking lines are making me lose it. Just got fucking mollywomp, dude. Oh yeah, by the way, got the noti on this. We got stopped out and lost like $500 on this account too. Stop loss for 552. So, absolutely cooked in just a few moments. Let me see. I need to find my RSI, dude. Relative strength indicator. There we go. Index. Absolutely mollywop, dude. Just fucking boom! Smack my, like, walked me. Let me see. Still no viewers. We love this. Alright. But you know what? We're just in this shit for the wins, you know? Let's see. Yes, is flying. He knocked on the dough. Bullish target 3. Here's news. Woo. Trump wild LL. Wait right for the market to open. China tariffs likely come down between 50. Oh shit. So Trump lowered the tariffs on China. So that's probably for the better. No plan to dismiss Powell. We did see that. We'll do well in the United States because of tariff. More active in reducing. No plans to dismiss Federal Reserve Chair Powell. Seen that a lot. Includes comments at White House. Yen falls after Trump. No intention of firing Powell. Says this is the worst part. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So like straight up, the worst part about trading so far has been the fact that I actually have to pay attention to some politics. The worst thing ever. It is like the fact that I have to keep up with that just reality TV show that they're putting on for all of y'all. All it's doing is just moving this market so they can make a bunch of money. That's all this thing is. Why are there two? Why do I have two RSIs right now? What is happening? What is this? Okay. Has that been there the whole time and I'm just retarded? Again, very well could be. That's what we want to see. But, okay. Because we're up here, dude. It's... I wish I could just, like, fucking... Let me see. If I could just, like... Oh, shit. Can I not grab this motherfucker and just, like... Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Wait, just ding, 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 ding. Knock the price down? That would be fucking awesome. Oh, it's not gonna let me do that, though. Let's see. If we break this POC again, I'm thinking another move to the upside. Because look, we're down below this once again, and we're headed back to it. If we cross this, I'm going long, and I'm putting a stop, or take profit right here, at like 540 something. So look, I'm gonna do... Oh, dude, look, I'm doing it. I'm doing the buy order. Buy, take profit at... What is it? 544, 4.4, and then stop loss at 5. Put it 541. And oh, hey, I about bought another order. Look, we're gonna go for 100. Modify. Stop loss is going like 50. 1 to 2. You know what I didn't look at was this. See, I need a flow. That's something I don't have. Is I need a trading flow. Like, okay, I'm about to make a trade. Fuck, dude, this is annoying as shit. Like, I'm about to place a trade. What are we looking at? I don't like this, and I may have just sold off of this candlestick here that I didn't come and look at. Buyers are strong, sellers get strong here. Buyers are super strong up here though, and stronger on this side. Sellers are weaker over here, and they just got stronger. Buyers are still stronger, but this candle was a misplay. I fucked up. Definitely fucked up on this one. I'm getting FOMO a little bit. I kind of need to call it. I'm kind of shooting for like 11:30 to end the stream and to like go hit the gym and get away from it, because that'll be about 2 hours. So, because I never want to trade for any longer than 2 hours, not in one sitting. I think it melts my brain, and then I just get bored and start wanting to take trades just to take trades. Obviously, the coin flip was just for fucking fun, and I'm gonna make an Instagram reel out of it. So. Wait, did I already get stopped out? Are you fucking kidding me? Holy shit, I did. That fucking sucks. Add it to the number. Is 2539. Wow. $2,500. Gone forever. No. Yeah, that was a bad trade, because look at this, dude. We're under that volume shelf. It's going down. There's nothing we can do about it. Look, but if I take a short right now, that motherfucker's going back up. I guarantee it. Oh, dude. Another long? No. Bro, I am not doing that. Okay, the coin is not speaking to me today. The coin is not. Coin's not doing it right. Oh, Boeing's up 7%. Oh, trade potential on Boeing here? Making some moves back to the upside. Let's see what our volume profiles look like. We've got some structure here. A little bit of, we're bouncing off the bottom of this. Let's put a line here. And there's the top of it's going to be like here. And then our POC's there, right? I think we're going to see this move back to the POC. Let's see what we're looking at. Fat cells. Everything's so volatile today that if I get in just right, I can like make hella money. But if I try to hold it for too long, I get absolutely boned. I'm gonna honestly take a short here on Boeing. Just like a quickie. You know? Let's do like 5 shares. For like a bando. Just a quick little like $2 to start offsetting the 2,500 we're down. If this will even hit. I'm just banking off the fact that there's a little bit of like honestly we could probably I'm gonna keep it at that. Yeah, let me just leave it. Just leave it. I mean, I think the bull run's over. Like, this is going to try to go back to the middle. The RSI is going to go back to the middle. What is that? Are those the points right there? Am I finally starting to understand that a little bit? I need to look up, what is the points? What points? We probably hit that Boeing already. Oh, we're damn close. Did this not? Is this order not even in? No. This isn't even a real trade right now. Okay. Anyways, good call. The only trade that I actually won today, I didn't even submit right. Oh no, dude. No, this trading shit's hard. And now it's too risky. I mean, it's probably going to continue down. There's a big volume position right here. And here. Like, if this shit breaks below this, but you also got to think that the S&P 500 is super undervalued. Trump just said that he was going to fucking reduce the tariffs. So all of this is more than likely going to turn around and start going back up. So, like, even placing a buy order. See, all crypto's back down again. It was like, it got pumped yesterday. Yesterday it was super. It was doing really good. I'd almost bet if I did buy here, I could do a take profit back up to this, a stop loss maybe here, and buy. So if it goes down to here, I'll buy in. Because if I were going to buy in right now, that's where I'd put my stop loss. So. Because I'm thinking that the buyers are not going to let the price fall below that. And I'm going to leave it and we're going to see how it does tomorrow. Well, I mean, I'll know by the afternoon, but nobody else is going to know. And so we got good buyer support. Hella buyers. We're actually about to get filled. Because it's got to return back to this POC. In fact, well, I'll move it back to the POC, and I would actually even much rather have that. But yeah, that's pretty much, I think that's the last thing I'm going to do today because I like that. And everything else is going down, so it's going to continue to go down for a second. It's going to hit this, and then it'll fucking pink. It'll probably recover. I mean, I don't know. I don't know shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So, here we are. And that is pretty much it for today. I don't think I'm going to stick around much longer. I think I'm going to fucking get all my things together and go to the gym and get a fucking lift. If anybody's watching this shit after the fact, I want to start streaming on for the next probably like 2 or 3 weeks. It's gonna be Monday, Wednesday, Friday morning. I'll be streaming. After that, I'll be streaming like almost every single morning of the week, and probably not on the weekend, but definitely during the week. And we're gonna try and get good at this shit, and then eventually we'll move over to real money. Right now we're still just paper money. None of this is actually my money. I have no real skin in the game right now. I just want to start to see some profitability. Before I ever do real money, I gotta clear out this balance right here. Well, right here. Like, I gotta clear that shit out, zero it, bring the account back up to 100K, and then I'm gonna let myself actually start to use money. And then I'll do probably my first prop firm challenge. Using like Top Step or Apex or something like that. I haven't decided yet. It's still far out, so I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, trades today weren't bad. Definitely could have been better, right? Like let's see, was this all the shit for today? Nope. Account history. Okay. Yeah, so, I mean, we didn't hit a single winning trade today. We did just get filled here, though. I think. And then immediately hit stop loss. Okay, so we just... And I won $2 off of that. So we got profit today. We're up. We're up, baby. Literally in the last, like, in the final stretch, we made a little bit of money. We made $2. Let's go. $2, huge win. That's how they get you. Yeah, so we're just gonna get better at this. We're gonna still learn. I definitely need to work on my strategy more. My strategy is not where it needs to be. I'm missing trades left and right. My stop losses and take profits are not even close to what they need to be. I thought all my trades were pretty good today, except for maybe the last one. The last one was kind of like me. And then obviously the coin flip was just for fun. We just need to hone in where we're putting our take profit and stop loss, really, right? And how much we're going to actually get off of each trade. We need to lower that standard. Because in my head, I'm like, oh, I need to be making $800 per trade on every winning trade. But in reality, it's like, okay, I have a small account size. I'm still learning. It's really going to be more closer to like the $30 range. And then I scale from there. But I'm only losing $10 on bad trades. So, yeah, upping my risk to reward and developing better habits. And don't stare at it. I need to find some other shit to do while I'm sitting here just streaming. Hopefully next time I got some people to talk to, that would be awesome. But for the time being,